This is Cindy Create the Heart, and I am here to share some things that I got, including my Baking Spirits Bright supply kit for the Catherine Pooler virtual retreat. So in this retreat, it's a baking theme, so we get this from the kitchen, 6x6 pattern paper. There is this very large stamp set, which I don't know what it's called. Oh, it's called Baking Spirits Bright stamp set. Along with this stencil, we get some matching dies. We get this die. We get this cooling rack baking sheet die. We get these cooking implement dies, and then we get this Baking Spirits Bright Sentiments stamp set. We get their new gingerbread full-size ink pad, along with, I don't even know, I guess this is a sticker for that. We get some shaker bits, and then we get the refill for the full-size paper pad. So that is a virtual retreat. I am so behind on all my things, but when I do retreats, I always do share what I make. So I'm very behind. I will get to it. Pink and Maine. So I'm pretty sure I subscribed to the Stamp and Die of the Month too, and that hasn't come. I think that comes on the day that you subscribe, I guess. I don't know. Anyway. But I really liked this theme, so I went with it because bees are just, they're so trendy right now. But you get a bunch of cardstock that kind of goes. You also get this colored sheet that gives you a color palette, tells you what's in your kit, along with ideas on how to use that kit. So that's cool. You get everything in this cool pouch, which I do like their pouches because they're nice and big. But these are the other implements, I don't even know why I'm using the word implement, things that you're getting in your kit. So you get this honeycomb embossing folder, which I'm excited about because it's called Hex Tiles. I don't think I've got a hexagon type embossing folder. You get stencils that go with your kit. We've got this hexagon one, along with this that goes with the dies and the stamp set, which I'll show you in just a second. Here's the stamp set, and you can see that this stencil goes with this, and then this bee, I think this bee is just a bee stencil right here, but you have all these little baby bees that are adorable. And then here is the die that goes with this. So it doesn't cut, I don't think, any of the sentiments out, but it does cut the wreath and all the bees, and I think these little, these hexagons, I think it cuts. I don't think it cuts any of the sentiments, but I think it just cuts all the little parts. So I really liked that, so I got that. And then you get their Pink and Maine Let It Be paper pad, 6x6, and it is double-sided, so that's exciting. And then we get some sparkly enamel dots, and then we also got some shaker bits. So that is all in the kit, and so that's exciting. So I'm excited about that, and I just need more time in my life to do all this crafting, you know? I have so many things and not enough time, but I think that's the story of everyone's life. So now the piece de resistance, which is the Not Too Shabby Shop fall release. So I didn't get all of it. I might actually end up getting all of it, but for right now, this is what I decided to get for the release. So first of all is the free gift, which is these fall enamel dots, which are really pretty. And so everything is, oh, I did pick this up, which is not part of the fall release, which is the Mermaid Birthday Anya, which is part of the new Greeting Farm release, but I really liked that. So let's get into it. Let's see how I want to. First is the pumpkin background stencil. That's really cute. I do like their stencils. I used the apple one recently, but now I've misplaced the apple stencil somewhere in here. I need to clean up and find it so I can use it some more. But this pumpkin patch, I had to get this. I just love it. It's this sort of doodle kind of stamp set. It's large. It's called Latte Love Fall Background. I had gotten the strawberry doodle, which I love, and this has a similar feel, except it's all fall, but I love little coffee cups, and so I got that. And then I got one of the stamp set and dies. This was my favorite one. This is called Fall Days, and I just loved it. It's adorable, and I got the dies. There are a couple other stamp sets which I did not get, you know, but I'm contemplating it. Excuse me. The other is this one, which is strictly just a die. So I've been really enjoying the dies. So I've done some videos on some of the dies that she's gotten in. The tag die, the easel die, the apple shaker die, the cupcake shaker, which I've not used yet, which I am going to use, but I have not had a chance to use that one yet. So I need to find out what I did with it. But this one makes like a pumpkin and a scarecrow. You got a little tag, and then you've got some sentiments that kind of you can build together. On her channel, she's showing how to put it together. So you can use cardstock to put it together, you know, to cut it out, or you can ink and cut it out. So there's a lot of options for how you want to do it, but I got that one, and that's gonna take some time to play with. And then I got two of the collections. I want to say there's 3 collections, but I only got the 2. Like I said, I'm like, should I, shouldn't I? It's hard to say because everything was really cute. And it's not just a matter of like the cost, really. It's more like the time, you know. I just want to be able to use this stuff. Doesn't mean I can't use it at any time, but I don't know. I just need more time to use everything. But the first one is Delicate Pumpkins. And it's this non-traditional, actually both of these, I mean, this one's more traditional, but still not totally traditional, and that's why I like them, because they're not just orange and brown, and so. But this one is all in pinks. It reminds me of Cinderella, you know, the Cinderella pumpkins and everything, so I might find my Cinderella stamp sets and pull those out for that, because I think that'd be adorable. So there's that, and then there is the ephemera, which is so pretty and adorable. So just to kind of give you a glimpse, we've got, you know, all these fun little pieces, all so fall and pretty, and just in these blues and pinks. Very, very pretty. So that's that one right there. And then this one is Fall Love. And so this one is a little bit more traditional. You've got your oranges and your reds. But it's got that pop of blue and gold. And so I think it's traditional light. So I kind of like that too. But very fall feeling. So very nice. And then this one is a little bit different in terms of the ephemera. I mean, we do have butterflies and stuff like that, but we have feathers, and we have coffee cups, and just, I love the color palette. I love the girls. The girls are so sweet, and I love the different toned girls, because we're all different toned in my family. At least, like, my daughter and I'm more maybe like her, and she's maybe more leaning towards her. So that's kind of fun. So I think this is all beautiful. So I'm very excited to play with this stuff. I have other not too shabby stuff to play with, and of course I have all this other not too shabby. And I think part of what I might try and do is see how I can incorporate like other companies and other things I have in my collection with some of these papers and things like that too, because I think that being able to really use our stash and like combine companies is fun. It's a challenge, and it just really lets you kind of expand your horizons in using this stuff. The Halloween is amazing. I'm going to be working on Halloween with the Halloween stuff. I'm really excited about that Halloween. But the fall is amazing too, so I think there's plenty to play with. Make sure you visit the Not Too Shabby shop. I have a feeling that a lot of this stuff's going to sell out like the Halloween did, but she'll probably get it back in stock. So check it out. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy Crane at the Heart.